Hey, what's up? My name is Toby and I just want to give you a quick development update for my augmented reality game that I'm currently working on. So I was just browsing the asset store searching for some cool assets that would fit in well with my idea of making like a simulation / top-down game, and I just found these two asset packs. The first one is the low poly animated dinosaurs pack from Poly. The second one is the Polygon Tropical Jungle by Synty Studios. By the way, the link is in the video description. And I just saw these two and thought, hey, maybe they're gonna fit well together and maybe they will also be suitable for augmented reality, where you're working with limited hardware capabilities. And I began using the terrain tools by Unity, just painting some hills and getting some foliage in there. So it seems like this game is gonna be about some dinosaurs, maybe building a dinosaur park with your friends in your living room, who knows. I just thought about Jurassic Park Operation Genesis, which was always a great game, and nowadays there's Jurassic World Evolution and Evolution 2 and those seem also pretty fun, so this might be something cool to do in augmented reality. So the next thing I'm working on is the cursor, which is pretty much this blue thing that you can see here. It's supposed to be the input, the main input, that is kind of the mouse in augmented reality, because tapping on the screen sometimes is quite weird and you place objects at weird places, if you can say it like that. So I thought about making something like a cursor where you can just grab objects and drag them around, place them, then spawn other things to interact with the world in a way that feels like a mouse cursor. It was a bit daunting for me to get this script going, so I just had to visualize it in a way, and for that I used some good old circuits, so just laying down the basic logical operations. It's not 100% correct, but I gotta say it really helped me to figure out what's the states, because the cursor needs to know should it place an object, spawn an object, or release an object. And after some trial and error I got it working, kind of. The next thing I was working on is AI navigation, because if we got dinosaurs or any kind of animals running around, they need to know where to go and they also need to have some kind of behavior, right? So this is a very tricky part, because also, as you could see, we need to be able to move the map, so there needs to be like some navigation at runtime. So Unity has this AI nav mesh agents, which also feature a bake navigation and runtime feature. This was a bit tricky because I was also working with terrain, which is kind of hard to move. I also find this plugin which converts terrain to 3D data, and together with those two I got a version running that just bakes the mesh at runtime, so things can move, things can change, and the dinosaurs still will know where to go. But the behavior is still not so perfect. That's what I'm working on next. But yeah, this is what I've been working on the last 2 weeks, and I'm looking forward to the next things. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time.